let's get into it. Another Boss Up with K state, city, location video. You know what? Help you guys find the locations and the actual companies that are hiring for contracts, apps that are working in your area. I find all that sauce for you. All you got to do is just leave a comment down below. Leave a comment with your city on my videos, and see the most cities or states, and I do a video for it. So I've been seeing a lot of St. Louis, Missouri, as well a lot of other states, but today we're going to do the St. Louis, Missouri area. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. Let's get into it. So we're on the site CB Driver. All you got to do is type in your city and state here. It will find all of these jobs for you. There's a St. Louis, Hazelwood, St. Louis, Florissant, St. Louis. So most of the jobs are in the St. Louis area. That's the biggest city in the state of Missouri. As far as I know, retired delivery drivers needed, cargo, van, auto part delivery driver, car, SUV. So all types of vehicles, minivans, trucks, box trucks. They need it all on these websites. You can see the pay. $8,000 a month. You know what I mean? So that's CB Driver. That's what they got in the Maryland area. And then we on the site CLDA. I usually lead with this site, but Missouri, they only got 2 business locations, Crossroad and Zip Deliveries. So we go on Zip Deliveries. They got the big arch, so they're in the St. Louis area, St. Louis, Missouri region. Contact us, delivery area, services. Let's see how we get in to drive, though. You see all the organizations they're a part of. That's how you can go to these other affiliates and gain business. You're bossing up, you starting your cargo van business, join the local chamber of commerce. Great resources, great connections in those. And it doesn't have directly where you go to apply, but they got an email, they got a phone number. We talk about on this channel. We just don't simply send in the application on the website. We call, email, and even pull up on them. You know what I mean? Then next we got the ECA. This is the organization this company was a part of, ECA. So we just go to the ECA website and see where else other companies are in St. Louis, and they got like over 20 companies in the Missouri location. There's Zip Express, 24/7 Express Logistics. You got the company information. You got the CEO, VP of Business Associates, Kansas City, St. Louis. You can see all the locations, what they do, and even go to their website. Wow, it's real simple to find this work. There's no excuses out here. Learn how to use the web, to search for things. Anything you can ask me in my comment section, which I greatly appreciate all the comments. If I don't get to you, you can type those same questions into Google and get pretty much the same results. Here's another one, 357 Curbside. I like how they spell curbside. And last mile, you see all the things they do. Franklin, Tennessee, Northlake, Illinois. So we got work all over the state. American Expediting is pretty much the largest company in America as far as finding work. DSS Final Mile, websites, everything included on here. This is also how I find additional companies in my area. Some of these companies be nationwide. You don't even know. But most of them are regional. Regional companies pay more than nationwide companies, in my opinion, and what I've seen. So check these local companies out and see all that they need, what they look for. Some of the companies they partner with to haul stuff. And you come down to the bottom, contact us, fleet drivers, about us, final mile. This is how you get in contact with these companies, guys, all right? And then next we got drop off. We all know about drop off. We don't talk about that one on this channel. Medical couriers. I did a long format video about this company, Medical Couriers. They are a national company as well. And then TNT Logistics. You see their headquarters in St. Louis. So I gave you 3 websites: CB Driver, the CLDA.org, and the ECA Delivery Industry.org. So come to these websites, type in, search where you're trying to find work. I did Missouri, but you can find your state, your location, put in exactly your zip code, put in the distance that you're trying to find work, and you will find it. All right. So that's how you do it. That's how you boss up with your boy K. Not going to make these type videos longer than they have to be. Real short, simple, straight to the information. If you like this type of information, just give me a like, give me a subscribe. If it's your first time watching my videos, go back through my playlist. I got all type of information about medical courier work, auto parts couriers, lost luggage couriers. There's a lot of stuff you can do with just a small vehicle, all the way up to large box trucks or semi trucks. Being your own boss, starting your own companies, getting these contracts, getting out the 9-to-5 rat race, making your own dime on your own time. That's what we about out here. And then eventually, hiring drivers and using your money to make passive income. All right, until next time, boss up, baby.